The more substantial number of petitions are in two categories that are of more interest generally, I think. These are representation elections and decertification petitions. So the majority of the cases overall are representation election petitions. These are cases where the union files the petition saying we want to represent some previously unrepresented employees in your workforce. This might mean the company's never been unionized, or it might mean the company has unions, one or more unions in place, but some employees have not been previously included in a bargaining unit. And now, whether it be an existing union or another union, wants to represent those employees in a new bargaining unit. So there's over 1,500 of those cases so far this fiscal year. And then the decertification petition is essentially the opposite, where an employee goes and files with the National Labor Relations Board saying, yes, I'm currently in a bargaining unit, I'm represented by a union, but I no longer want to be represented by a union. There are 236 of those filings in the first 3 quarters of fiscal year 22. So as you can see, there's, about 6 times as many representation petitions filed as there are decertification petitions. But in both cases, I think that these are more the type of filings that people are thinking about. If they aren't just thinking about the representation election petitions, they might also be thinking about the flip side of that is how do we end recognition. So these are the lion's share of what the NLRB report is alluding to. But again, there are those 84 other cases that also fit into the mix.